Learn how to remove dandruff from your hair at home with these 4 natural and super simple tips. Have you ever noticed little white flakes on your head or shoulders? Yes, that's dandruff. In today's video, you'll learn 4 ways to remove dandruff so you can get rid of this problem once and for all. Dandruff is an uncomfortable condition that not only leaves dry white flakes on your hair, but can also cause itching, irritation, or a burning sensation on your scalp. Moreover, it can occur in all hair types, as it is caused by excessive dryness and grease buildup. The secret to getting rid of dandruff is to control the oiliness of your scalp by washing your hair daily with special shampoos for this treatment. The good news is that you can also treat it with some natural home remedies that not only eliminate dandruff, but also nourish and strengthen the hair. Since many of you asked for recipes to get rid of dandruff naturally in previous videos, today we present to you 4 natural remedies that will help you with this task. Salt. Simply sprinkle a little salt on your scalp. Massage it in vigorously and then wash it as usual. Coconut oil. Put 3 to 5 tablespoons of coconut oil in your hands and massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for an hour and then wash as usual with your shampoo. Aloe vera. To stop your head itching, massage aloe vera into your scalp before you wash your hair and then wash it as usual. Apple cider vinegar. Did you know that apple cider vinegar is another supernatural remedy for dandruff? With its antioxidant properties, it helps to boost the immune system, balance the pH of the skin, and reduce inflammation. It's also used to get rid of dandruff because it makes it harder for the fungus to grow on the scalp. In a spray bottle, mix 1 cup of apple cider vinegar with 1 cup of water and spray it on the scalp 2 to 3 times a week. Massage it into the root of the hair, leave it on for 20 minutes, and then rinse. Did you like to know these recipes to get rid of dandruff once and for all? If you have dandruff, use one of these recipes to get rid of it, then come back here and tell us about your results. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.